Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to deposit cash into your Monese account but couldn't figure out how to do it? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit cash into your Monese account in a few simple steps. Monese is a great bank for people who are on the go. It's easy to use, and you can access your account from anywhere in the world. However, one thing that can be a bit confusing is how to deposit cash into your account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in a few simple steps. Step 1. Find a PayPoint location. The first thing you need to do is find a PayPoint location. PayPoint is a network of retail stores that allow you to deposit cash into your Monese account. You can find a PayPoint location near you by using the Monese app or website. Step 2. Go to the PayPoint location. Once you've found a PayPoint location, go there and tell the cashier that you want to deposit cash into your Monese account. Step 3. Provide your Monese details. The cashier will ask you for your Monese mobile number and the amount of cash you want to deposit. Step 4. Pay the cash. Once you've provided your details, the cashier will ask you to pay the cash. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. After you've paid the cash, the cashier will ask you to confirm the transaction. Step 6. Wait for the cash to be credited to your account. It may take a few minutes for the cash to be credited to your Monese account. Once the cash has been credited, you will receive a notification from Monese. Additional tips. You can deposit up to £2,500 per day into your Monese account. You can deposit cash into your Monese account in a number of different currencies, including GBP, Euro, and USD. If you're depositing a large amount of cash, you may need to provide identification. Depositing cash into your Monese account is easy. Just follow the steps above, and you'll be able to do it in no time. If you have any questions about how to deposit cash into your Monese account, please leave a comment below.